Hi, my name's Aditya. I'm going to show you how to make Jacob's ladder. Start it over both of the palms and the open position of pinky and thumb. Then use your pointer finger to pick up one of the palm strings. Then drop the thumb strings. Reach underneath with your thumbs and pick up the last string with your thumbs. Reach over the first string and pick up the second string. Now drop the pinky strings. The pinky fingers reach over that last string and pick up the very next string. Now drop the thumb strings, not your thumbs, and pick up that third one. Now lift the string from the outside and put it over your thumb. Take that bottom string, lift it forward over your thumb. Take that string from the outside and put it over your thumb. Take that bottom string the other way over the thumb. Now we have it like this. So we have these triangles in here, the middle first. All these triangles, and these triangles, and these triangles. And we have the pinkies with the strings, and the pointers with the strings, and the thumbs with the strings. And put your pointers in here. And that's going to be the new string on your pointers just very soon. Carefully drop the pinkies, turn the hands away, and the back of your pointer is going to slide off. Letting the outer string slip off. There, and that is the Jacob's ladder. The easiest way to undo this is to lay it down, take the two top and bottom strings and pull them apart. Now you have your loop back.